Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So just a quick update. A few months ago I started building this racking, this commercial pallet racking, and this is what I'm up to now. So painting it was a nuisance, buying it second hand was a nuisance, and it wasn't that much more expensive just to buy brand new stuff. So that's what I did. I bought brand new stuff. I've put 3 bays in here, so that was the standard size. Then I've had to make some poles here just to tidy it up, and those I had to cut and make the size. As soon as I put it up, this phenomenon happened where they started collecting shit, and as you can see now, I haven't even got the doors on, but they're already full. So at least it's off the floor. That's the side. There is going to be some panel doors on it, just like these ones. See those, how they open, go like that. So there's a lot of door work that needs to be made to finish these off. But this is kind of where we're at. These will be benches, and then a kitchenette type thing down here. And then with it all being panelled with doors, it should look a little bit nicer. Over here, I've had to panel this wall because we're going over the front of it, and it's the last chance I kind of get to panel it. I've introduced another second fan because in summer, 30-40 degrees, moving air is good. Only problem is it whinges a bit. Every time it goes, whinge. Anyway. So that's the paneling up to there. This one here actually turned out the right size. It was a standard size. So as you can see, looks good from there. Now, some of the things I learned. Painting over powder coating, not so much fun. I used a thick type of paint. But you can see, could be better. And also painting it takes a long time, not much fun at all. On the upside, I can always touch it up, so there's no problems there. Another progression we've had with the workshop is I managed to get an automatic motor here. See, I picked this one up for $100. I just got to trim it down and wire it up. At the moment it's semi-automatic, which means you move that one and that one moves. See, and it's got the motor and all the rest built in, so I just have to automate that. So I have to find a box, put this card in there and automate it. That actually works really well. And then I have to make these doors automatic as we come and go through there. But yeah, this is what it's kind of looking like at the moment. So I've got this side all done. Oh, we also had to have the AC guy come out because the AC stopped being cold, and what we found was some of those new fancy connections, which lived about here, were leaking. So we lost all our gas. Had to do it all over again. This one here, I need to put the wood levels in. I need to do the doors on the front, and then that should be okay. But yeah, it's getting there. So these are 4 meters high, about 2.7 wide. These ones I think are about closer to 2 meters, and they fill up quickly. When you put all the tools, the fasteners and all the rest, at the moment they're not really sorted, but you can see on how much room it's kind of taken all the junk and put it on a wall. So that's good. So that's the update for November. And I reckon by about July 2026 we'll have doors on this, and it'll be looking pretty good. Be looking a bit better than this side. I still got to clear off all this junk. See, this looks good. All junk. And before we had this whole thing full of junk. All this stuff here, big pile. So at least we can see the floor now. So we're getting there. Thanks for watching.